Forget boring emails today. We're transforming your Adobe Dreamweaver skills into sleek HTML email design masters. First, launch Dreamweaver and create a new HTML document. In the new document dialog, choose HTML from the document type options. Now, here's the fun part: deciding your view. In the bottom right corner, select Design View to see your email take shape visually. This lets you build without getting bogged down in code. Begin by creating a table as the foundational structure. Go to Insert, click and select Table. Set the number of rows and columns based on your email's layout. Adjust the table properties, like width and cell padding. Next, add your content. Insert images using the Insert menu. Then refine them by adjusting width and height. Always consider image alt text for accessibility. Time for styling in Dreamweaver. Either create an internal style sheet or use inline CSS. Use CSS to change fonts, colors, and spacing to make your email pop. You can also choose to create rules that are responsive to mobile devices. After perfecting the styles, preview your email in a browser to make sure it looks amazing before testing and exporting. Your new professional email is now ready.